Welcome to my channel, YouTube Learn English Daily Life. Happy Friday. Any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I'm just looking forward to not having to think about homework for a couple of days.
Tell me about it. This week has been crazy. I feel like all I've been doing is studying and writing papers.
Yeah, I hear you. But you know what they say, work hard, play hard. We'll have to make up for lost time on Sunday.
Absolutely. Maybe we can go hiking or try out that new restaurant downtown.
Sounds like a plan. But first, I'm going to take a nap and forget about all my academic problems for a few hours.
I'm with you on that. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Have you heard about the school dance next week?
Yeah, I have. Are you planning on going?
I don't know. I'm not really much of a dancer.
Come on, it's not about being a good dancer, it's about having fun with your friends.
I guess you're right. But what if I embarrass myself?
Who cares? Everyone's just there to have a good time. Plus, it's not like you're auditioning for So You Think You Can Dance.
Okay, fine, you've convinced me. But what should I wear?
Oh, just something formal, like a suit and tie.
A suit and tie? Are you trying to make me look like I'm going to prom?
Ha! Okay, maybe not a suit and tie. How about just a nice shirt and some slacks?
That sounds more like it. All right, I'm in. Let's go show off our terrible dance moves.
You got it?
Did you go to the guest lecture yesterday?
Yeah, I did. It was actually really interesting.
Who was the speaker?
It was this guy who wrote a book about the history of salt.
Salt? That sounds incredibly boring.
I thought so too, but he was actually really engaging. He talked about how salt used to be more valuable than gold and how it influenced the development of civilization.
Wow, I had no idea. What was your favorite part?
He did a demonstration where he sprinkled salt on a piece of paper and then ran an electric current through it. The salt formed these really cool patterns that looked like little lightning bolts.
That's wild. I wish I had gone now. Who knew salt could be so fascinating?
I know, right? I think that's what made him the most interesting guest speaker I've ever seen. He took a seemingly mundane topic and made it really engaging.